Hi guys! So for today's video, I have some wigs that I want to share with you guys. Unfortunately, there's a really strong rain right now going on. If you can tell the background noise, that is the rain, and that's why I'm gonna record a separate video for the wig part, which I might do a voiceover. So sorry about that, but the weather right now isn't really cooperating and I didn't want to have that really loud background. But I'm gonna tell you a few things about this wig company. This brand is called Prmmonre hair, and you can find their wigs on Amazon. I got two wigs from them, a red one and a pink one, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So every wig comes with a wig cap, and since I have two wigs with me, I do have two wig caps. And just look at that red color. It's really bright. It's kind of like an Ariel hair color, although it's a short top. And then this pink wig is kind of like the perfect pink color. It's not that orange and it's not that bright, so I love this color too. So here's a close-up for the pink wig. It is kind of like a bubblegum pink, but it's not too bright. I would say that the cut is kind of like a bob, but a little bit longer, and it has an angle to it. So the back part is a little bit short, the front part is a little bit longer. It has some shine to it, but you know, you can always put some dry shampoo and it'll go away. And now I'll show you the top part. As you can see, the top part looks very natural. I like that it looks like a real scalp. And I would say that this wig reminds me of that one anime girl. Her name is Sakura, I believe. So yeah, if you're planning to cosplay that, then this is a really perfect wig. It is not a lace front wig, but as you can see, it kind of looks natural. So since the red and the pink are basically the same but just different colors, here's a quick video for the red wig. That color though, the brightness of the red is just so perfect. And yeah, I think it'll look great on a lot of people. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be putting a link down below and also a promo code, which will be good until August 15th, so make sure you check them out right now or else it'll expire soon. And I hope this helped you guys. What do you guys think about this wig? I really loved it. I love the colors, I love the style of it. It's just a simple wig, but I feel like it will really stand out when you wear it in public. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts. I do stream on Twitch more often than I am here on YouTube, so make sure you follow that. I will leave it right here. Also, I will post my cosplay content on my Instagram, so follow me there as well. And my other social media links will be down in the description below, so yeah, make sure to check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!